guys, this is Daniel from dltReviews and welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas if you're watching this on the day it is uploaded. Anyways, today we're going to be unboxing the iPod Touch. Now this is from a while back, as you can tell by the old iOS here. And yeah, fun story about this, or not this one, but the iPod Touch is basically one of the first pieces of tech I received and basically got me into technology and this whole YouTube channel. Our first video was actually an iPod Touch unboxing.
Reviews. I'm Daniel and
I'm Daniel.
Yep, we're both Daniels and we're gonna be reviewing the iPod Touch 5th generation.
So one of my friends gave this to me as a gift. Shout out to Shang. You can follow him on Instagram if you would like. But without further ado, let's just jump right into it. All right, guys. So I don't know how many of you guys grew up with using iPod Touches. I remember it was the cool thing to have. Now everyone has a smartphone, but back in the day, us kids used to use these iPod Touches, and basically like an iPhone, except you can't call on them. And here on the back, we just have a bunch of info. Let's see. Requires Mac or PC, OS 10 version 10.4.10 or Windows Vista and Windows XP. Wow, that's pretty advanced, man. And on the side we got iPod Touch, some numbers, and wow, we have 8 gigs, everybody. 8 gigs. That's a lot of music. And yeah, this brings back a lot of memories, because I remember having the 4th generation and then the 5th generation. Yeah, this is pretty nice packaging. So over here we got a sticker. Let's just try to peel that. Ooh, you can get that cover off right there. And we have the iPod right there on it with the sticker. And let's put this to the side, as unboxers always do. In here we just have iPod Touch documentation. Let's see that. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, Apple stickers. Got Apple stickers. And then just an instruction booklet. Put that off to the side. We have an dock adapter kind of thing. I never got one of these with any of the iPods I had. And then we have these old earbuds. Remember before the earpods? Yeah, these are throwback. And then we have the 30-pin charging thing. It's late, guys, and I don't know how to talk. Put this here, and then ooh, we have a looks like we have a microfiber cleaning cloth. That's pretty nice. Sad they don't do this anymore. Ooh, that's actually pretty nice. So you can see here, there's a little iPod there. Yeah, that's really nice, actually. And there's nothing more in this box, so let's just dump everything back in and get to the iPod itself. So here it is, guys. The back, look at that nice shiny stainless steel. I remember these things used to get scratched super easily, so let's just go ahead and peel that. Ooh, there we go. You can see this sticker, and we just pop it out like this. Ooh, look at that. That is clean. All right, so looks like we have an engraving here, chipestimate.com. I don't know what that website is, so dang, that looks really clean. Of course, it's gonna get scratched if you just like wipe it with your shirt or anything. It was that scratch prone, but it did look really nice. right after you unboxed it. Well, that's the cleanest it will ever be. Oh my god, this feels so small in the hand. There's no camera on the front or the back. There's just this Wi-Fi antenna. The 4th gen, which was my first iPod, did have cameras on the front and back. And as you can see, we got the headphone jack here. So it was before Apple got the courage to remove them. And we have the 30-pin dock, which is so ancient. So let's try to turn this on to see if there's any power. Well, I guess there's no power. I gotta go charge this. So. With the power of editing, I will see you. So basically, I went and got my iPad to charge this thing because I can't be bothered to get a power brick, I guess. So it's not exactly booting up. I guess it's in kind of a boot loop. I don't know if it's because it's connected to an iPad or what, but it is probably in a boot loop, which is actually kind of sad because I did want to check out the old iOS and see how everything used to be. Let's take a look if it actually works. Well, I guess it is like it's dead because it hasn't been used for all these years. Well, I guess that's the end of this video. Sorry it was very uneventful. I just wanted to make a little fun video before the holidays, and guess that didn't work out. But anyways, again, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you. Thank you so much for watching all the videos this year. I really appreciate all the new fans and all the support you guys have given me over the past year. So hopefully I will continue making a lot more videos next year in 2019. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.